Uneven paint coverage or streaks can totally ruin the look of your walls, but getting that smooth, even finish is way easier than you think. Okay, so first off, always start with a good primer. It's like the base layer that helps paint stick better and makes colors pop. Next, don't just slap on one thick coat. Go for 2 or 3 thin coats instead. This way, you avoid drips and streaks, and the color looks way more even. Use high-quality brushes or rollers because cheap ones tend to leave marks or shed bristles all over the place. When you paint, try to keep a wet edge by overlapping strokes so you don't get weird lines. Also, paint in natural light if you can, so you can actually see where the paint is uneven. Don't rush drying times between coats. Give each layer enough time to dry fully, or the paint might peel or bubble. And finally, keep your brush strokes consistent, like all vertical or all horizontal, so everything blends smoothly together. One of the biggest problems people run into with uneven paint coverage is skipping primer, which makes the paint absorb unevenly. Just slap on a good primer and you're golden. Another common issue is trying to cover everything in one thick coat. This only causes drips and streaks. Fix it by layering thin coats instead. Lastly, using crappy brushes or rollers can mess up your whole project because they leave marks or don't spread paint evenly. Investing in quality tools saves you from all that hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up your paint job. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need your skills and want the job done right.